Alright, so now we're gonna fish the rod through the spools. Remember what I said, it will only go through there one way. If you force it in, it's gonna be hard and it's just not gonna work right. Turn it, it doesn't work that way. Let's turn it again. And there we go. So there we go. I just have to make sure I don't turn it anymore and just keep it so that they're all aligned. And there we go. Now the last step is to, well, not the last step, but remember we have the clutch with the cord on it still back in the room, in the house. So we'll just put that on and then this won't be able to turn by itself. But before we do that, we need to put these back on. Our little pockets and furrows here. It's like the belt looping. It's like a little belt lock. You go in and out and in and out until it's pretty stiff. Let's put this one on. So here, put that in there like that. Let it slide back in and press it in place. And now this part here, and then down to the middle. Don't laugh at my fingernails. In this business, you will have broken fingernails. Alright, now pull that through, turn it around, and come back in. And then the last lock will wrap around here and go back in there, but we're not going to do that till we get in the house, because we're going to have to make adjustments to fit the window. And I'm going to do that for these last two, and we'll be back.